Hey everyone, and welcome to English 104. I'm going to get started on these introductions. This is technically our check-in assignment. So here's what I would like you to do. Introduce yourself. Give me 3 fun facts about you. My name is Hasmeek. 3 fun facts about me are, this is like spur of the moment. I gotta think fast. Fact number 1, I'm basically obsessed with TV shows and movies. I watch everything out there. Netflix, Amazon, what are some of the other networks? Hulu. It's like everything that you can think of, I probably watch it. Number 2, I'm a dog mom. I actually have 2 Rottweilers, big ones. The doctor just told me that they are overweight. So they're 2 beasts, a boy and a girl, Gotti and Gia. And the third fun fact about me is, I have a lifeline that just goes all the way through on my hand. I mean, does that mean I'm going to live forever? Does that mean I'm an alien entity? I don't know. But it's still pretty fun because I don't notice most people having that. Anyway, I would like you guys to introduce yourselves in this discussion forum and then make sure you are responding to 2 other people in your introduction. What kind of responses should you give me? Surprise me. It's supposed to be a social activity, so socialize and let's get to know each other.